Hey everyone, today I'm going to show you how to combine several PDF files into a single document on your Mac using a free online tool. No software installs required. Let's get started. First, open Safari, or your favorite browser, and navigate to smallpdf.com/mergepdf. I'll leave the website link in the description. Once the page loads, click Choose Files, then select all the PDFs you want to merge. You can also drag and drop them straight into the upload area. As soon as the upload finishes, you'll see previews of each PDF. Feel free to drag and drop to reorder them exactly how you want. When you're ready, click Finish. Small PDF will stitch your files together in just a few seconds. Perfect time to stretch your fingers or grab a quick coffee. When the merge is complete, a download button will appear. Click it and your newly combined PDF will save to your Downloads folder. Open it in Preview to double-check that everything's in the right order and looks sharp. If you'd like another online option, head over to ilovepdf.com and choose Merge PDF. The steps are almost identical. Upload, reorder if needed, click Merge, then download your single file. And that's it. Easy, fast, and entirely online. If this video helped you out, give it a thumbs up, subscribe for more simple Mac tips, and I'll see you in the next one. Thanks for watching.